Alright, Greenlight Pyro here with a complete stash video. Got some America's First, Critical Gravity, Rain of Fire, Block Party, Crystal Flare. I don't know what the hell that one is. Got Biker's Pride, a bunch of Nishiki Mines, a couple Supernaturals. Got Eyes Wide Open, Proud and True, the Red, White, and Blue, Patriotic Waves, Winter Dragon, Hydra, Leviathan, the Hitman set. Got WoW, Rock the Fourth. What is this one here? The Battle of Princeton. Box of Tricks, Ozone Blast, Neon Warfare, Hallelujah, Breakthrough, Brocades, Strobing Mania, Spider Mania, Bunker, a box of bombs. Hey, it lasts 90 seconds. Rebel Soul, Sky Slayer, Bad Habits. Hoist the Colors, Red, White, and Blue. Maximizer. Early Bird Special. Old Glory, F-47, Patriotic Missile, American Pride, Green Death, Trooper, Deadeye, American Patriot, and I finally got some 1/1s this year. I got Turbo, Zombie's Bride, and 2 Bedrocks. Here's my shells. Got 4 boxes of the armor piercing shells. They have 4, 5, and 6-inch shells. A box of the Raptor shells. 2 boxes of Pro shells, 2 boxes of Keg, box of American Pride, 3 boxes of the Chroma color changing shells. I'll come up here to my 200 grammars. Got some Pyro Demon, Space Cadet, Dirty Deeds, Wormout, Swamp Monster, North Pole, Nishiki Willow, Raptor. This is a little 4-piece set. Combat Zone, Kamikaze, Rebellion, OG Hits Back, couple Brown Wraps, another Dirty Deeds, Die Hard, Queen of Spades, Neon Fusion, Minion War, and Crush. Got 6 of these Dark Matters. Those are really cool. Viper, Stars and Strobes, a couple Diehards, Havoc, Deep Sea, Big Boss, Regal Revere, Warcry, Doomsday, Gold Rush, and a couple Jokers. And other than like the little small stuff, firecrackers and stuff, that's about it. Yeah. It's getting close, guys. Yep. Like I said, I think I'm done. I say I should be done, but you never know. All right, as always, thanks for watching.